What's the meaning of Bristol fashion? Bristol fashion. Bristol fashion.
Bristol fashion. Bristol fashion. Bristol fashion is an English idiom that means something is in good order or well organized. It originates from the sailing practices of the Bristol Channel, where ships needed to be well prepared for the strong tidal currents and rough waters. If a ship was Bristol fashion, it meant it was properly secured with all its ropes and sails in place, and ready to weather any storms. Overall, this phrase is used to describe something that is well maintained, reliable, and fit for purpose, much like a ship that has been properly prepared for the challenges ahead.